Hey there, CG Math students. I'm going to help you out with homework 9.3, measure of the center. So this first part is just a riddle. So understand exactly what they're asking you for, because on the left-hand side, it's all about the mean. So add it up, divide by how many you have. But on the right-hand side, it's all about the median. And remember, you need to make sure you have an ordered list when you're working with the median. So I'll do number 1 and number 5 for you. So number 1, I just add them up, divide by how many they are. So if I add those up, I'll get 205. I'll divide by 5 because there are 5 numbers, and I will get my answer of 41. So I'll put 41 over here in the corner, circle it. I'll go down here, I'll look for the answer that says 41, and in that case it is D. So I'll cross off D, and anywhere where I see a 1, I'll put a D. All right, and then I'll say D equals 41. For number 5, it's the median. So first of all, I need to make sure I order my list from least to greatest. I cannot just start crossing off. Must order my list. So I'll say 39, then 40. I'm sorry, cross these off as I do it. Then 44, then 49, then 50, and 54. And 56 and 61, 62 and 68, right? And now that I've done that, I can go ahead and start crossing off. So I'll say 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and then immediately stop yourself. You cannot cross off because you have an even amount left. So I'll say 50 plus 54 divided by 2, and I'll get my median of 52. So I'll go down here and I'll see that, oh, R is 52, and so wherever I see a 5, I will put an R. So I'll put an R right there, because that was question number 5. So 52 is my answer, and it equaled the letter R. Let me do number 2 for you as well. So it says, the following list has a mean of 24. What would the new mean be if 17 was added? So just plop 17 in there and find the new mean, right? So mean, add them all up, I get 161. I divide by 7, and I get my answer of 23. So I go down here, find 23, that's E, and wherever I see a 2, I will put an E, which is all the way here. So 23, the answer was equal to the letter E. Number 3, a 6th number will be added to the list. What must be in order for it to be the mean of 12. So let's go ahead and first total this up, right? And then we have a question mark here. So when I total that up, I get 56 plus my question mark divided by how many numbers do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus this other number that I'll add is 6 will be equal to my mean of 12, right? So now I just solve this. I times 6, I times 6, cancel this off. I get 56 plus x is equal to 72. I subtract 56 from both sides, and my new number, if I were to add it and have a mean of 12, would be 16. So I go down to the bottom, I find 16, and it's A, and so wherever I see a 3, I'll put an A. So right there, right there, right there, and right there. Big win for us right there. So 16 gave me the letter A. Right. Let me do one more, number 7. The following list has a median of 43. What would be the new median if 21 was added to the list? So I plop 21 because that's the smallest number at the front. Then I go ahead and start canceling out. So 23, order them from least to greatest, see you later. 27, then 28, then 31. Sorry, I got to cross these off. Then 38. Then 48, then 50 and 52, 56 and 57. All right, so I've ordered it. Now I just go ahead and cross off 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and this time I have an odd amount, so 38 is my median. So I go down here, I see 38 is L. And on question 7, that was, so I'll put an L on 7. So go back here and say, all right, 38 was my answer, and equal to the letter L. Okay. The mean of number 4, you're just going to add these numbers up. It might be very helpful for you to first list the numbers that you have. So you have 6, you have 2 7s, you have an 8, you have 2 9s, you have 4 10s, and 2 11s. So the mean, again, add them all up, divide by how many you have. Add them all up, I get 108, divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you'll get your answer of 9. So 9 is this, which is S. So equal to S, and that's question 4. Sorry, on question wherever I see a 4, I put an S. All right. Okay, for the back side, we'll just be doing the odds on this one. The following data represents scores given by 12 figure skating judges. So all this data, and notice it's nice and ordered. The final score is determined by eliminating the lower and upper extremes. So let's find out what the low was and what the high was, and let's eliminate them. So the lowest score was a 6.5. We're not going to include that. And the highest was a 9.5. So 6.5 and 9.5. Do not include them. So what was the skater's mean for the final score? What are we going to do? We're going to add all the numbers that I said except 6.5 and 9.5. So when we add those together, these numbers right here, right, because we've eliminated the low score and the high score, we get 82. There's 10 scores left, so we get our answer of 8.2. All right. On number 2, make sure you understand that you're finding the mean. On number 3, the following wages that 6 workers worked per hour. What is the median wage? So first I got to order these from least to greatest, but notice, oh, beautiful, they're already ordered for us. So nice and easy, right? So 1, 1, 2, 2 up, and I have these 2 left. So that's 10.80 plus 11 divided by 2. And that will give my answer of $10.90 is the median. All right, number 4, again, make sure you understand that you're finding the mean there. Number 5, it says, what is the median of the following data set? So I think a lot of you are going to be tempted to just go 1, 1 and try and do it, but it's not ordered. So we've got to order them first. It's not ordered, and you know when you find the median that you must order them first. So we have 9.5 followed by 10.5 followed by 13, followed by 12.5, then 13. Then 15 and 15.5. Now they're ordered. Now I can cross them off. So I'll say 1, 1, 2, 2. Up. I can't say 3, 3 because I have 2 numbers left. So I'll say 12.5 plus 13 divided by 2. And that will give us 12.75. So B is your answer, right? Extreme outlier is kind of like number 1. So if that one thing that doesn't fit with this data set is 25. So that one, you're going to get rid of it, and then you're going to find the mean of just these numbers, and then you'll be dividing by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instead of 6 because you've eliminated this one, right? That's it. Call me if you have questions.